Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Before creating an Instagram account, you should definitely watch this video. Here's a question. Should you use Instagram, or what are the pros and cons of Instagram? As you know, Instagram is a social media from its parent company, Facebook. Instagram is very famous for social media also. So let's take a look on its pros. It is obviously an awesome platform for being social and stay connected with your family and friends. You can become an influencer and get paid for advertising products and services. You can also sell items by using it. You can follow your favorite sports person, actor, and celebrities, and hobbies and motivation pages too. There are educational pages also which can enhance your knowledge. Despite of this all, be aware of its cons. You should to know that Instagram is one of the most time consuming and distracting app. Therefore, the greatest guy of the era, Elon Musk, don't use it. One of its feature called Instagram Reels reduces your attention span. Therefore, many activities will seem boring to you. You may suffer from cyber ragging and trolling, so be responsible for what you are doing on it. Okay? And all of your data is shared with many companies to customize your ad experience. Hence, your data isn't safe because it is extremely time consuming and attractive. Therefore, it will distract you from your studies, jobs, and important work like that. On any social media platform, connecting and following more and more people makes you socially disconnected from actual world. It only shows glamorous and luxury life of the people without revealing their hard work and sacrifice. Therefore, it causes stress, anxiety and depression to the youth and many adult people too. Okay, does everyone need to understand that Instagram is a virtual world full of glamour and distractions. It doesn't mean that you delete your account. Actually, it's your choice. But if you use it wisely, it can be very beneficial to you. Believe me. Now the choice is yours on the basis of your self-analysis. I hope this video will help you to make a correct decision because this is an social media, not a game. Instagram is not a game, so take it seriously. It can change your life and affect it in any way in which you will use it. Okay, till that, like and share this video and subscribe our channel. And thanks for watching.